Alright, this is Bubba Belly, aka MC Lunchbox. I'm getting y'all my first #1 hit single right here. It's called Big Bird. Big old bird. Hear that? That's a bird. It's a big old bird. That's a big old bird. It's a big old bird. There's a big old bird. There's a big old bird looking at me. There's a red big bird up in the tree. There's a red big bird in the tree. There's a big old bird. There's a big red bird in the tree looking at me. He jumped out the tree, chased me around the yard. I fell down, said, oh my gosh. Fell down, said, oh my gosh. That big old bird, that big old bird, that big old bird in the tree. Big old bird up in the tree. He came down all looking at me, Yes, he did.